How to add members to WhatsApp group on an Android device. You must be a group admin to add participants to an existing group chat. A group can have maximum of 2 fixed participants. To add participants, go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. In that screen, open the group chat where you want to add more members. Tap the subject of the group. This is the name of the group at the top of the chat. Scroll down and tap on Add Participant. Search for or select contacts to add to the group chat. Tap on OK to confirm adding the participant to the group chat. As you can see, the participant has been added to the group chat. This is how you can add members to WhatsApp group on an Android device.